Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Dentist Sister Always Wants to Tease Me. Chapter 2, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Kai-an and Ransing, the two of them still talking. Schoolgirl. Well, suddenly she seems to be surprised. That's right, I also graduated from South China University with a major of, so it turns out the two of them are really colleagues. Repeat that, you are senior Si Ransing. Hey, junior high school girl, do you know me? Ransing is asking her. Well, of course, right now, Kai-an. Of course, I like you when I was in college. Oh, she's not really getting shy. She really confessed it on hers today. Well, what a brave girl she is. Now, it really makes sense her friend was coughing, 'cause she know to herself that she doesn't realize that she's been confessing her feelings toward Ransing. Now, when I was in college, I have seen my sister first place in the record-breaking record at South University. So it turns out when she came back, she was seeing her and did she really fall in love with her? Looking at Kai-an, she was really looking forwards to her. Fran saying she was bringing her drinks. Now, it is really getting late. Of course, for Kaan, together beside her right now. She remembered the fast. It's a great honor to speak a representative of the graduates of the Haicheng University graduation ceremony. Seeing her on the first time, she was really falling in love with her. Now, the young girl, the young Kai-an, she looks really enchanted, watching her from afar back then. Look at her, she was really smiling. She seems to be happy. And she is getting fall in love with her. So back then, she was following her, stalking her all the time. Kai-an, it turns out she was really in love with her before, but only Ransing. Ransing, she doesn't know her existence before. Now, Ransing is asking her, what's wrong? Looking at Kai-an, she was giggling at this moment. Of course, remembering happy moments before. She is really getting happy. By the way, Senpai, didn't you study abroad before? Kai-an was asking hers. Well, maybe they really got separated from back then. Now, Ransing was looking at hers. She kept herself silent. How can you go back to the provincial hospital to be a dentist? Kai-an continued to asking her a question. Well, it was really not appropriate. Right now, looking at Ransing, she is not speaking. She kept herself in silence. Kai-an is asking her, what's wrong? Suddenly, she looks really happy. It's nothing, Ransing said to her. Well, everyone seems to know that she was really hiding something. She don't want to open it up right now. Maybe it was really bad before. Ransing, we are leaving. Your coat. So it turns out her friends is coming after her. Now, they're going to leave the far. It will take Kai-an and her friends to be able to stay there at this time. Come, open your mouth, Ransing said to her. Being obedient, Kai-an, she was looking at hers. Then, she was going to open her mouth. Ah, what are you going to do? Kai-an is suddenly asking her. Well, she got really curious, right? Especially, she's really closer to her. Now, it was really getting hot. Seeing through. Kai-an opening her mouth. Ransing was checking if the things that she's been working out already fulfilled. Now, it makes sense. Replace the juice with sugar-free soda for this lady. Now, Kai-an, she looks really embarrassed. The waiter said okay. So it turns out she was really overprotective person. Kai-an, Ransing, the recovery is good. Please protect your teeth. Ransing said to Kai-an. Now, finally, she was going away. Only left Kai-an and her friend. Her friend seems to be friendly people. Goodbye, senior. Girls said to them. Leaving Kaam becomes so speechless. At this moment, when Ransing was turning back away from her. Now, it really makes sense to her. She was calling her An. Suddenly, look at her. She was still in Foss. Her friend suddenly got curious about her. What's the matter? Her friend is asking her a question. Of course, this girl, she's really getting tricky. I forgot to ask my senior's contact information. Before I came here, I was still calling my elder sister. Her brain freezes as soon as we met. So it turns out until now, she really can't believe it. You can better than you can pursue the person you like it so bluntly. Of course, we have already started living together long ago. So it turns out her friend has also a partner. That's why she seems to be happy. Together, as soon as we meet up, this is too fast. Don't talk about me. This make you to meet again. It must be very important, Fate, to see her again. She was knocking on her head. You have to take her good of it. No, looking at her. She seems to be looking comfortable and was going to sleep. But now suddenly she remembered. Fate? Well, maybe it's not only a fate. Also, they really got lucky. Now, she was sniffing. Come, go and take a look. It seems that there's having a commotion outside the building, and it keeps them busy. Let's see on what will happen. Right now, the boys, excellent graduates, go back to school to hold the lectures, so don't miss it. The boys seems to be excited. Also, they've been really looking forward on this. Now, it was Kai-an. Next day, senior sister is so busy, it can't be here. Now suddenly, someone's got Pickle on her attention, and she was looking. Of course, right now, one of the boys said the lecture will be held on 3:02, and it will start soon. Classmate, do you want to attend? One of the boys said. It seems that the boy are really looking forward for this. Sister, so it turns out the outstanding graduate speech will came through prancing, and she looks really beautiful on that performance. Now, it was next episode. There once a little silly when I was teaching on behalf of my professor. Prancing said, I don't even know how to deal with the whole. She still remembers. Now, it really makes sense to her. I don't know how the little silly performed in the school and her levels now. The previous classroom. Sister. Now, she continued to tease her so much. And let's see on what will happen, since everyone seems to be shocking. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open.